Hello guys, in this video we're going to be creating the curves for the shoulder. We already have the side curve for the body, and also we have this line here for the shoulder back and a little bit of the crown for the spoiler, and we're going to be creating now this line here in the front of the car. We don't always get what we want in the first time, so we can always do a little bit of a CV direct manipulation. Now I'm gonna use the align tool, and we're gonna be aligning this new surface to the one on the left. So we will have the history alive in this surface. You can take your time and adjust the sensitivity of the CV move tool to get more precise moving of the CVs. And